All right, settle in. This is gonna be a long, real, sit-with-me kind of video. Not a wash your hands lecture, not a judgment video, not a you're gross video. This is the stuff nobody tells you, but everyone notices. Here's the scary part. Most hygiene and grooming mistakes don't come from being lazy or dirty. They come from not knowing. No one teaches this stuff properly. Parents assume school teaches it, school assumes parents teach it, and social media, they just show perfect people with perfect skin and zero explanation. So today, we're fixing that. No shame, no roasting, just real advice from someone who made these mistakes too. And trust me, some of these mistakes are silently killing your confidence. Let's get into it, because if you fix even 3 things from this video, people will treat you differently. Part 1. Thinking hygiene equals showering. Let's start with the biggest lie teens believe. I shower every day. I'm clean. No. Showering is step 1, not the whole system. You can shower daily and still smell bad, look messy, feel unconfident, and be avoided socially. Because hygiene is a routine, not an event. Here's what people don't realize. Mistake number 1, rushing showers. Most teens shower like this. Get in, soap everywhere randomly, rinse, and out in 5 minutes. That's not cleaning. That's getting wet. Wash armpits, feet, behind ears, neck, and private areas properly. Use soap, not just water. Scrub lightly, don't just glide. And if you think water alone works, wait till we talk about odor later. Part 2. Clothes, the silent confidence killer. This part hurts some people because you might be clean, but your clothes are betraying you. Mistake number 2. Wearing clean-looking clothes. Teens do this all the time. It doesn't smell. I only wore it once. It looks fine. But fabric holds sweat, skin oils, and bacteria, especially hoodies, especially jeans, especially school uniforms. People can smell what you can't. Change shirts daily. Don't re-wear sweaty clothes. Wash hoodies after 2 to 3 wears max. Air dry clothes properly. Damp clothes equals bad smell. Let me say this gently. If your clothes smell weird, people won't tell you. They'll just keep distance. And that hurts more. Part 3. Deodorant. Why it doesn't work for you. This is huge. I use deodorant, but I still smell. That's because you're probably using it wrong. Mistake number 3. Applying deodorant on sweaty skin. Deodorant is not magic. If you put it on sweaty armpits, dirty skin, right after intense movement, you're locking in smell. Action steps. Apply deodorant on dry, clean skin. Best time? After showering. Use antiperspirant if sweat is heavy. Reapply if needed. That's normal. Also, don't overspray body spray. Equals not hygiene. If I can smell you from 5 meters away, that's not confidence. That's panic. Part 4. Hair, the most noticeable detail. People notice your hair before they notice your outfit. Mistake number 5. Washing hair too much or too little. Some teens wash hair every day. Dry, flaky scalp. Others wash once a week. Oily smell. There's a balance. Action steps. Wash 2 to 4 times a week. Depends on hair type. Massage scalp, not just ends. Rinse thoroughly. And please, don't use shampoo as body wash. Don't use body soap on hair. Your hair knows. Heading for a mini pause. Because next, we talk about something everyone notices but nobody talks about. Part 5. Oral hygiene. This one can ruin everything. You could be attractive, well-dressed, funny, and still, one bad breath moment can erase all of that. Mistake number 6. Brushing once a day. Once is not enough, especially with coffee, junk food, stress eating, or late-night snacks. Brush morning and night. Brush tongue gently if flossing is possible. Rinse mouth after meals if brushing isn't possible. And no, gum doesn't fix bad breath. It just makes it minty bad. Part 6. Skin. Confidence versus obsession. Social media messed this up. Perfect skin isn't real, but hygiene mistakes make it worse. Mistake number 7. Overwashing face. Washing face 5 times a day won't clear acne. It'll irritate it. Wash face 2 times a day max. Use gentle cleanser. Pat dry, don't rub aggressively. Also, touching your face constantly. Stress, boredom, overthinking. Hands carry bacteria. Part 7. Nails, feet, and the details. These are quiet mistakes, but they matter. Mistake number 8. Ignoring nails. Dirty nails equals instant bad impression. Trim weekly. Clean underneath, no biting. Stress habit, I know. Mistake number 9. Forgetting feet. Feet smell travels, especially in classrooms. Action steps. Wash feet properly. Dry between toes. Change socks daily. Let shoes air out. Part 8. The mental side of hygiene. Let's be real for a second. Sometimes hygiene slips because you're tired, you're stressed, you're burned out, or you feel low about yourself. And that's okay. But here's the truth. Taking care of yourself is not vanity, it's self-respect. When you look clean, you speak more confidently, you stand straighter, you feel worthy of attention. It's a loop, a good one. Let's recap. Most teens aren't unhygienic, they're just uninformed. Fix these basics. Shower properly, wear truly clean clothes, use deodorant correctly, care for hair and mouth, and handle the small details, and your confidence will rise quietly. No glow-up montage needed, just consistency. Try this tonight. Shower properly, set out clean clothes, brush your teeth before bed, and apply deodorant after shower. That's it. Small actions, big difference. And listen, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up clean, present, and respectful to yourself. Let's level up together, one habit at a time. If this helped you, you're already ahead. See you in the next one.